Hello, good morning, ma'am. I would like to interview about future. Before that, may I have your name and age po?
My name is Mary Lulioni Ligot Alberto, and will be 60 by November.
Ano ba?
Pa-senior na.
Okay, ma'am, my first question is, what do you think the world will look like in 2050?
Well, the world in 2050 will be transformed by technology, climate change, population growth, driverless cars will be common, and I hope all cancers, diseases will be cured on that time.
Okay. Second question, what are you most excited or worried about in the future?
Excitement. Right now, no matter our challenges, there is still hope. People are still finding sources of optimism and excitement. And I'm worried that some still don't get.
And my last question is, what advice would you give the youth today about creating a better future?
My advice should be like this. Prioritize your health. Your health is your most valuable asset. Without good health, it's difficult to achieve your goals. Enjoy life or take care of the people you love. Start building healthy habits. Eat well, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and manage stress. These habits will pay off in the long term and in the long run and help you avoid chronic health issues. And don't be afraid to fall. Failure is natural part of life and an essential component of growth. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back from pursuing your dreams of taking risk. Every failure is an opportunity to learn and improve. The most successful people in the world have often faced. And invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. This means continuously learning your skills, pursuing education, and taking care of your physical and mental well-being. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
And lastly, build strong relationship you build with others, whether personal or professional. Okay?
Thank you.